Hello people, welcome to another video, a new tutorial, a beginner friendly tutorial. So this style is a very simple style with no joining at the shoulder. It's a cut together sleeve style. You don't need to add the sleeve separately. Okay, please, if this is what you want to watch, please continue now to the end of the video and give this video a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do that at the end of this video. Thank you. So I have folded my fabric into 4 and I'll start with our horizontal measurement. From my shoulder I marked 10 inches to create my chest line. From the shoulder I marked 19 inches depending on the size of your client. For this tutorial I'm marking 19 inches for my waistline to create my waistline. Then from the waistline I'm marking my hip line, which is 9 inches in this case. Then from the shoulder again I marked my length plus 1 inch for our seam allowance. So we are going to be making the lines visible so that we'll know what we are really working with. My shoulder line, my chest line, my waistline, my hip line, my full length and my seam allowance. Remember I said there's no joining at the shoulder, so we're going to leave that shoulder that way first, then move on to our chest line to impute our bust measurement. So your bust divided by 4 plus 2 inches for our room allowance. So then I added half an inch for my joining allowance. You are going to do that to all your circumference measurements, that is your waist also and the hip. So that means hip also divided by 4 plus 2 inches plus half an inch. That means we have plus 2.5 inch for our room allowance and joining allowance, also on the waist and also on the hip. Then for the hem, I'm just going to place whatever I have on my hip to the hem so that I have a free room. This style doesn't require you to make a pencil at the hem, so we're just going to place whatever we have on the hip also on the hem. Then we're just going to connect the points together. So I'm just connecting the points, and then on the chest line come out by half an inch at the armhole area to shape that point so that you will not have sharp edges. So for the sleeve I added 1.5 as seam allowance. So I'm just adding that, then I will make the line visible also to give us a clear view. So the shoulder, that means your normal shoulder divided by 2 plus the length of the sleeve you want. That's what we have on the shoulder line. Plus now that I'm placing the 1.5 to turn the sleeve. So guys, this particular style does not need a shoulder slope because there's no joining at the shoulder, so there's no shoulder slope on this particular style. And this is just what we are doing on this dress. And the next thing you are going to be doing is to notch the center, at least the center back and the center front of this pattern, of this fabric, because there will be no need to shape the neckline of the back pattern and the front pattern. Just notch the center as I'm doing now. And you take it to the people that do embroidery, they know what to do when you get there. Okay, and that's all we have for this pattern. Now, for the sake of deep explanation, I'm going to be doing this. Now, the first thing you want to do is to fold the length first. In this case, we have length 42 plus 1 inch, and that's how I'm folding my length. Also, then you are going to fold also for the width. For the width, you just fold that this way. Yes, so that means we have the opening on the side and at the down part. We don't have any opening at the shoulder area and also at the center, back and front, just on the side and the down part. That's how you fold for your fabric. That's how you are going to be folding the fabric for this style, so that you avoid joining at the shoulder. If you have watched to this point and you're yet to subscribe, guys, what are you doing? What are you waiting for? So I'm just doing a rough sketch so that to make us see how this will be looking, or how you are going to be drafting. Do not forget to shape your armhole area in order to avoid sharp or pointy edges. If you have watched to this point, please subscribe. Please share this video and also like this video. Thank you. So I'm going to be seeing you on the fabric. To be attended to. Yeah, we are cutting, removing the pins. Don't forget to note the center, like so. Then I'm taking it immediately to the embroidery people. They are going to do this. Now this is it. I can't wait to get this out of their hands. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Here we have. This is just it. Then we are just going to add a piece of fabric to the center to put our button. So this folded 8 inches, the length is 8.5 inches, and then the width of this unfold is 1.5. I've turned that, and then I'm just going to be placing it underneath this too, and I'll sew it down. Just place it the way I'm doing it now. Subscribe to this channel. You see, I and my baby are telling you to subscribe. This day was so I don't know how to put it. It was so rough that my baby kept on disturbing, but I just have to do this video. The next thing I'm going to be doing is just to sew the side, then sew the hem line also. I'm folding my hem line. Show you